Hey YouTube, just quick how-to video. I couldn't find one, so I'll just do this one real quick. And so this is going to be a custom splash screen for your Alpine Headunit iLX-207, and I think it's pretty much the standard for most of them. But anyways, Alpine needs a very specific format on your for your photo, and if you're older guy like me and you're not too handy with all the computer stuff, I see that there's a custom splash screen. I'm gonna go ahead and create a link here, and where you can convert where you're gonna be able to convert your image. So first and foremost, get your image that you're gonna want to convert. Go ahead and select BMP. That's the format type, and you'll do an 800 by 480. You will drag your image here, and it will download. I already did mine, so I'm not gonna do it again. Now the thumb drive has to be entitled opening file. You need to have your first and only file on that opening file. Again, I'm not sure if the all uppercase matters, but do it anyways. And go ahead and drop your photo in there, and that's what's you're gonna want, and that's gonna also be entitled opening file BMP. And then when you take your thumb drive, plug it into your USB port that you have, and go ahead and turn on the vehicle. And at that time it will ask, we'll do it now, I wasn't going to, but so we already have it customed. Alright, now it should prompt me. Okay, so prompting me now. I don't want to change it. I've already changed it, so you know what, for the heck of it, let's see what it does. It's the same image on there, so I don't think it matters. It's been updated just like that. Now I'll go ahead and create a link for the website that I used for my image. Rather than that, YouTubers, I hope this was helpful.